first guitar lesson, and this is a free lesson. First of all, I want you to know how to hold the guitar. So, the guitar is not that comfortable at all, especially if you're a beginner. And this lesson is just for beginners. So, first of all, either you put it like here on your left side or here on your right side. This is much comfortable to me, so I prefer to keep it here. And first of all, how to hold a pick, a guitar pick. Because if you want to play an electric guitar, it's better to play with a pick. And later on, I will post some videos how to choose the proper pick for your style and what gauge is the best for you and all that kind of stuff. But first of all, how to hold a guitar pick. So first, you need to throw the pick away and keep your hand like this, and then you just flip your hand like that. Okay, so make your hand loose and flip your hand. So this is the best way to hold a pick for you. Just put it here between the thumb and your index finger. Alright? Then, how to pick a string? Simply, you need to put your arm against the body of the guitar, like that. You don't have to play like this at all, especially if you play electric guitar. So you just put your hand against the guitar like this, and you play from the wrist. So simply you pick a string, the top one, second one from the top, this is the first lesson.